So, bit of an update. Trying to get things sorted, things moving. It's a damn sight better than it did weeks ago. I'm gonna go over it again in black once it's all dried. Well, happy days, the floor's all done on the driver's side. Tied up this back as well. So we're getting there. Let's get it back, get the seat back in it now so I can put it back inside. But yeah, happy days. All rust protection paint. All the inside of the sill's all done now, there's no holes there. That's a better angle. That's all sorted now. All the way into the footwell. His footwell looking much better. It's all dried now. Some red rust protection paint. Don't think I'll be going over it in black now. All in the corner where I had that hole, that's all gone. Sills all sorted, hole free. Happy days. Can get cracking with the other side now. Brilliant. Not pretty, but most definitely functional. Happy days, catch up soon.